Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sending you all love and light. Lately I've been closely observing various bloggers on social media, not because I'm a fan of all their content, but mainly to analyze what each one has to say and the kind of personality they project. I have noticed that in quite a few of them there's a recurring theme of narcissism. In this video I want to delve into the traits and behavior that are often associated with narcissistic individuals. In my observation of narcissistic behavior among Jamaican bloggers, and I would like to point out here that I'm a Jamaican, so I'm not picking on Jamaican people. It is disheartening to see what I thought was supposed to be a platform for adding value to people's lives has in many instances turned into a war zone. The relentless psychodrama and the conflicts amongst Jamaican bloggers, both men and women, often overshadow the potential for constructive content and positive interaction. Narcissistic people often believe they are superior to others in some ways, and we've seen this played out amongst our bloggers on social media. They may boast about their accomplishments, intelligence, or physical appearance and expect some kind of special treatment. They constantly seek validation and admiration from others. Their desire for constant attention can lead them to fish for compliments or engage in self-promotion. Narcissistic people struggle to understand or care about the feelings and needs of others. They may appear uninterested or dismissive of others' people's concern. Many of them try to exhibit a confident personality, which is just not there at all. Many narcissistic people have a fragile self-esteem. They're easily hurt or offended and may react aggressively to criticisms or perceived insights. And haven't we all seen this amongst our bloggers? And one of the traits that is so large, so huge on social media is jealousy. Narcissistic people often envy others and believe that others envy them in return. They can become preoccupied with comparing themselves to others. Another common thing that I see on social media amongst our bloggers, when things go wrong, narcissist people are more likely to blame others rather than take responsibility for their actions. It is so common for them to shift responsibility away from themselves, even in situations where it's clear that they are in the wrong. This can create tension and make it challenging to resolve conflicts and misunderstanding. Narcissists, their behavior is so common on social media. Their behavior can be particularly damaging to relationships and interactions. Narcissistic inability to take ownership of their own mistakes can stain personal and professional connections, as we've seen. You know, the threats that come out: I'm going to confront your workplace, I'm going to put out your name, I'm going to put out your address, all of these things. And, you know, it can perpetuate a cycle of blame and conflict. We see a lot of this: oh, you said it first. You know, you were the one that came out on me first, so I'm going to come out on you as well. I'm going to expose all your secrets. Another common trait, you know, amongst some of our bloggers is that they have these grandiose fantasies about their achievements. I'm a big deal, power, beauty, or success, often exaggerating their accomplishments. Recognizing these traits can be helpful in dealing with narcissistic individuals and understanding their behavior. However, it is essential to approach such assessments with sensitivity and empathy. And as narcissism can often be a defense mechanism stemming from deep-seated insecurities. Until they recognize this type of mental illness within themselves, they will not change. If they do recognize, or if somebody is able to point it out to them and they own it, then it would be good to find some type of counselor or a therapist, to help them get over what is seeming to destroy them as a person. In the context of this video, I cannot delve into a full lesson on narcissism, but I want to highlight concerning patterns that I've noticed. Many Jamaican bloggers I've observed tend to engage in constant blame and often resorting to abusive behavior without taking accountability for their actions. It is an issue that has overshadowed the potential for a healthy and constructive interaction on this platform, and this is why I am talking about it today. Until individuals, whether they are Jamaican bloggers or anyone else, recognize and accept their roles in the negative stage of this psychodrama and make a conscious decision to change, the cycle of conflict is likely to persist. It is a cycle that can drain not only the individuals involved, but also the communities and relationships that surrounds them. In closing, I want to stress the importance of awareness and personal growth, recognizing our own behavior and its impact on those around us. This is the first steps toward breaking this cycle. It is a process that takes time and effort, but the results can be incredibly rewarding. If you find this video insightful or you can relate to the dynamics we've discussed, please consider sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Let's foster a community of support and growth where we can all learn from each other and work towards healthier and more positive interactions. Remember, change is possible, and when individuals come together with the intention of personal growth and healthier relationships, the cycle of conflicts can be broken, creating a more positive and harmonious environment for everyone. Thank you for watching, and as always, sending love and light to you all. Have a blessed day. One love.